The man put a piece of gold into the mold. Then he operated the punching machine, imprinted the pattern and model on it. Then he turned it over to press out a groove, and then used a millimeter-level blade to cut out a gap. A gold nib took shape. But the intensity is not quite enough at this time. An alloy iridium ball needs to be welded to the tip of the pen, used to increase its service life. Then put it on the grinding wheel for grinding. Make the nib smooth. This process directly determines the thickness of the pen. Writing will also be smoother. Then polish the whole. Improve the brightness and appearance of the entire pen tip. So far, a piece of gold has been transformed with fine craftsmanship. It becomes a pen tip full of texture. The feed that extends from the nib is made of wood. The machine will first grind it into a matching shape, then cut a dozen parallel slits. When the pen is writing, these gaps can store and transport ink. After the pen tongue is made, the technician will gently insert the pen tip. Then push it with a machine until the pen feed is completely embedded. Next, we need to observe the pen tip. Those that fail will be remanufactured. Epoxy resin has very high plasticity. After melting them, they can be made into ink bags and pen holders. Workers on the other side are making sterling silver pen caps. The press will press the silver sheet into the appropriate size. It can protect the pen tip very well. It can also be used to decorate the entire pen. Then the carving knife will carve tiny stripes on it. They can act as anti-slip. The pen clip is made of pure copper. The factory will coat the surface with another layer of gold. Corresponds to the color of the pen tip. At this point, all the parts have been prepared. After putting them together, a high-end fountain pen is completed. So do you still